Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix DNS probed finish no internet in your Google Chrome here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is at the bottom search bar, you need to type for control panel. So once you've typed it, directly proceed to the best match, double tap to continue. Okay, so once you have successfully opened your control panel, if your view doesn't look like this, proceed to view by and change it into category. Once done, directly proceed to network and internet, click on it, and there you can see two options which are network and sharing center and internet options. Proceed to the first one, click on it. And here, look at the left side of your screen where you can see different options. Look for change adapter settings, click on it. And the moment you click on it, you would be able to see all the network cable, all the network adapters, the internet Wi-Fi that your computer is currently connecting to or has been connected to. Okay, just have to select the Wi-Fi that you are currently connecting. It could be a network cable or a Wi-Fi. Okay, once done, do a right click and scroll down and proceed to properties. The moment you click on it, this new window would appear. Now here you need to proceed directly to Internet Protocol version 4, then click on Properties, and then here in this new window, you need to make sure that this obtain an IP address automatically is turned on. And here, if in your case this is turned on, which is obtain the DNS server address automatically, change it into use the following DNS server addresses so that we can modify and set the preferred and alternate DNS server that we want to. Now here in the preferred DNS, go with 8.8.8 and 8. And here in the alternate one, proceed by typing 8.8.4 and 4. So what we have just set and modify here is here at the preferred DNS server, we have just set it into the best Google's DNS, which is this 8.8.8.8. And the alternate DNS server, we have just set it into the second Google's DNS, which is 8.8.4.4. So once you're done, click on OK, and you need to close all of this window. So once you're done with the control panel, check if your problem has been fixed, okay? Unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to our next step where at the start icon, you need to do a right click and scroll up and go with Device Manager. So here at the device manager, you need to expand it first and directly proceed to network adapters and click this forward arrow to see more. Now here you need to select your wireless LAN card. So you may have a different name of the network adapter, but it's exactly the same with this. Okay, so you have the same, it's just we have a different name. Okay, so just do a right click once you have selected it and proceed to update driver. And here it will opt you to choose these two options. Proceed to the second, which is browse my manually and install a driver manually in my computer, and proceed directly to the second option. Now here you need to select this, okay, and click on next. And just have to wait until it will be successfully installed in your Windows. Okay, once done, close this window and then you need to restart your computer, okay? And check if your problem has been fixed once you have relaunched your Windows again, okay? Unless if it doesn't, then let's bound to our last step to where here at the bottom search bar, we need to type for CMD to search for command prompt. Here you need to go with run as administrator. So you must run as administrator this command prompt to make any changes on the actions that we have performed here. Okay, so here you need to paste one by one all of this command. Okay, just follow all of this, paste it here, and then one. Let's say, for example, you have paste this first one, ipconfig space forward slash release. Click on enter. So it will release the IP configuration. Once done, you need to flush the DNS. Okay, let me just control C since I have changed it here. Okay, so here, once you have released the IP config, click on this, I mean paste this, okay? Then or you can type this, you just have to take a note of it and then copy all of these commands and then here proceed to the second and click on enter, then proceed to the third and click on enter and then proceed to the fourth and click on enter and proceed to the fifth and click on enter. So just copy this, okay? Or you can please take a note of this, okay? And I'm showing you an example how have to copy, okay? Or you can simply press Control C to copy, and then here you need to click on enter and proceed to the second, to the third, to the fourth, and to the fifth. Okay? So once you're done, close this window, okay? You need to make sure that you have finished all of those commands, okay? Once you're done, you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.